Hello, I'm Link. Many friends have asked, custom-made teeth cleaning kit. What configuration and product portfolio are available? The current product packaging methods mainly include this type. Different packaging has different configurations. Teeth cleaning kit is packed in aluminum foil bags to ensure cleanliness and hygiene. This is a replaceable nano strip packed in an aluminum foil bag. Configuration: a variety of options. One is to use all teeth kit and select the required quantity. The other is 1 or 2 teeth kit with multiple replacement sponges. There are 5 replacement strips in a package, which can be 1 handle plus 5, 10, 15, 20 sponge strips. Packaging comes in large and small packages, and there are also options for this display. Of course, it can be customized according to your requirements. The entire packaging configuration is relatively flexible.